Hello, welcome to the Wellness Wave Hub. Today we'll talk about something we're all looking for: how to improve our diet to have more energy in our daily lives. If you've ever felt tired or lacking vitality, this video is for you. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the little bell so you don't miss out on any wellness tips. Here we go. First, let's talk about the importance of nutrition. Food is not only fuel, it's information for your body. Eating nutritious foods is essential to maintaining stable energy levels. Avoiding blood sugar peaks and valleys is key. So where do we start? Enter the wonder of energy foods. Avocados, nuts, spinach, and sweet potatoes are your new best friends. These nutrient-rich foods provide a sustained release of energy, avoiding those dreaded post-meal crashes. Don't underestimate the power of water. Dehydration can lead to feeling tired and lacking energy. Be sure to drink enough water throughout the day to keep your cells hydrated and your body functioning optimally. Another key tip: opt for smaller, more frequent meals instead of large meals. This keeps your metabolism active and provides a steady flow of energy throughout the day. Let's talk about superfoods. Incorporating ingredients like spirulina, chia, and berries into your morning smoothies can be a delicious and easy way to get an extra boost of energy and nutrients. And there you have it. Improving your diet for more energy doesn't have to be complicated. Small changes can make a big difference. If you found these tips helpful, give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to leave me in the comments what your favorite energy food is. See you in the next video for more wellness tips. See you later.